Using the Socrative software as part of the formative assessment in the classroom is a training designed to provide support to the core subject area teachers from a middle school due to a students' low performance at the end of the grade test known as EOG. This training was designed using as a framework the Merrill's instructional design principles. The homepage of this training offers a brief description of what they are going to learn. In addition, this training provides nonlinear navigation based on the cognitive styles, where field independent teachers will be able to explore any section without restrictions, whereas the field dependent teachers can follow the sequence offered, which provides structure and control. The first part of this training has a section called Tell Us About It. This section aims to assess the prior knowledge the teachers have about the use of the Socrative software as well as any other tool they have been using in the classroom. They will participate in the embedded website Storming. The next section is called Are You a First Time User? Here, teachers will follow step by step on how to sign up to Socrative for the very first time. They will be able to explore this software, which will activate prior knowledge before we begin working on this learning experience, as mentioned in the Merrill's principles. Some of the teachers who are taking part in this training have been using similar platforms such as Quizzes, Quizlet, or Kahoot. After that, the teachers will have access to the learning objectives in the section called a sneak peek. In this one, they will find an image of the Socrative dashboard with hotspots, where by clicking they will reveal each of the learning objectives for this training linked to each tool or tab. The second part of this training has the Socrative tools, a space race, quiz tool, exit ticket tool, quick questions. All the tools start with a brief description of what the teachers are expected to do in each section. For the space race and quiz sections, the first design will provide tabs for the teachers to access. They will watch two different video tutorials, which are used as a demonstration to the learners. One of these tutorials explains how to design a quiz, which is needed for the space race and quiz tools. And the second video tutorial is the explanation of how to use these tools. This experience will promote new knowledge as stated in the Merrill's principles. After that, the teachers will participate in a discussion board in the embedded website Storming, followed by a Q&A section also found in Storming. The creation of the discussion board and the Q&A section are aimed to give the learners the opportunity to interact with their peers and the instructor. As mentioned by Grocia, in online settings, building up community is essential. This provides closeness and share ideas and keeps everyone in touch. As soon as they complete the first part, they will have the opportunity to interact with this scenario called knowledge check, which is used for them to apply the new knowledge as stated in the Merrill's principles. Teachers will pretend they are implementing the software in the classroom by answering some questions. When they have completed this successfully, the teachers will be asked to implement this tool in the classroom. In 2020, Hamlet stated that branching scenarios allow us as instructional designers to use the content to create problem-solving situations where learners will receive immediate feedback, whether they make right or wrong decisions. By the end of each section, teachers will find the e-portfolio time. This section give the possibility to begin the creation of the e-portfolio, which is going to be part of their summative assessment of this training. This e-portfolio, according to Merrill's principles, will integrate the new knowledge into the learner's world. Teachers will implement this tool in the classroom. When they do, they will find a link to a Google Drive right here where they will upload the students' reports of each experience and a video or photo as a result of this implementation. If they are having problems generating reports, the teachers can access the link monitoring right here. This link will take them to the section called Monitoring a Student's Performance. They will have the possibility to watch a quick video tutorial right here. Finally, in each section, they will have the opportunity to take the self-assessment where they will assess their experience during the implementation of each tool. The exit ticket section and quick question sections will have the same structure. The only difference will be the first part, where they will watch just one video tutorial that explains how to use each tool. The monitoring students' performance provides a brief description as well. Then, each tool for monitoring students is explained in short video tutorials. They will have access to a Q&A section as well. Finally, they will take knowledge checkers for understanding. The third part of this training will provide more in-depth clarification about the e-portfolio. As defined by Paulson, a portfolio is an opinion backed by fact. Students prove what they know with samples of their work. This section will show them how to work on them and where to find them. When teachers complete this e-portfolio, they will receive a badge that certifies completion. Now, last but not least, learners will have a section where they will be able to evaluate this training. This survey will be focused on quality, engagement, relevance, applicability, and the use of multimedia objects. With this evaluation, teachers will share the levels of satisfaction with this training. And this is the last section of this training. Thank you.